Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start inside Chrome because the lens icon is controlled by the browser. First, open the three-dot menu and navigate to Settings, then go to Search Engine and Manage Search Engines. You're looking for the Google entry that includes the lens parameter or a suspicious query string. Once found, click the entry's three-dot menu and choose Edit to remove the lens parameter or Remove to restore default search. This stops lens from appearing in the search bar at source. Next, you'll handle deeper Chrome controls. Type Chrome //flags and search for lens-related flags, set anything relevant to disabled and hit relaunch so changes apply. If the icon persists, inspect installed extensions. Some add search widgets or lens functionality. Disable suspected extensions one at a time and test the search bar after each change so you know which caused it. Make sure to relaunch after disabling an extension, because Chrome needs that to clear the toolbar UI. Finally, perform cleanup to ensure the icon won't reappear. Clear cache and cookies and restart Chrome, then reboot your laptop. This removes temporary UI artifacts. If lens still shows, reset Chrome settings to default, which removes toolbar customizations. As a last resort, create a new Chrome profile or update Chrome to the latest version to eliminate bugs. If problems persist, try disabling hardware acceleration. Sometimes UI icons stick due to rendering. That is the one troubleshooting tip to try next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.